Hey everyone, John Marion here. Just looking over the 2017 annual report from the Georgia Association of Realtors, and it's just amazing, some of these stats in here, and I want to point out a few of them to you. The median sales price has gone up in Georgia and in the Atlanta area year after year for the past 5 years. So in 2018, based on the sales activity of the previous 5 years and coming out of 2017, just seems to indicate that 2018 is going to be phenomenal. One of the reasons I say that and projecting that is just the way the economy is going and people's mindset, the way businesses are growing right now, and the economy and the stock market, just all the indicators and the unemployment rate decreasing, and with income going up, and the real estate statistics in this report, it's just going to be phenomenal 2018. So the median sales price in the Atlanta area has just gone up again, and will continue that way most likely unless there's some kind of unforeseen economic turnaround that takes place, which that could always happen, of course. But the way things are going, I would project that it's going to be a very strong 2018 for real estate agents and for sellers. Now, if you're a buyer in the market, in this spring market 2018, you really need to talk to your agent about making offers on the homes that you like, because they're not going to last long. They're going to be competitive bids from other buyers. So you really need to be on top of your game, and you need to develop a strategy with your real estate agent if you want to get the home that meets your criteria at the price point that you want, and expect to pay a little bit more than what you were willing to pay a year ago, because prices are definitely going up. The average sales price is going up as well. The number of listings is kind of staying steady, but it's really not enough to meet the demands of the market. The average days on market has decreased 10% since from 2016 to 2017. So homes are not staying on the market as long as they used to. So we've really come out of the worst real estate market that I've seen in my lifetime, which happened, about 10 years ago or so. Now we've pretty much recovered from that. New builders are in the market. New homes are going up. The average sales price of homes are going up, and the sales price and median sales price have increased significantly in the last 5 years. And the month supply, this is a really incredible stat. There's only 3 months supply of homes on the market for sale, which means that there's a lot of pressure for buyers to find the homes that they need. And we're finding this, and my team of real estate agents are finding that our buyers that are looking for homes in price points, especially $300,000 and lower, if you find a house you want, if you're a buyer, if you're an agent representing a buyer, and they find a home that they like, you really have to do your homework very quickly to find out what a fair offer would be on that home, and it's probably pretty close to what the list price is. The homes are going for about 96 to 97% of what the homes are listed for. So that tells me the agents that are listing the homes for sale are doing their homework. They're listing them, of course, slightly above what the sales price would be to give their sellers a little bit of negotiating room. But really, the list price, on average, in this market, is pretty close to what the house will sell for. So if you're an agent representing a buyer, and you do the comps and you see that it's listed for a pretty fair price, maybe it's only a few thousand more than what you think the comps should be, it probably will appraise what the list price is based on the way the market is going right now. Of course, that's not a guarantee, but if you have a buyer, of course, that wants to just lowball everything significantly, they are not going to get homes under contract, especially if they're homes that are in really good condition. And the number of homes for sale, the inventory has decreased. It keeps decreasing in terms of what the number of buyers out there. So it's really putting a lot of pressure on the market it's totally a seller's market at this point. It's not a super overcharged, heated market in my opinion, at least in the North Metro Atlanta area where I'm working and my agents are working. But I'd encourage you to check out this report. You can download it from the Georgia Association of Realtors if you are a realtor in Georgia. I'd encourage you to get this report, take a look at it. If you have any questions about it, please leave a comment in the section below. And if you're one of the agents on my team, definitely pick up the phone, text me, email me, whatever, or leave a comment below like anybody else. And let's have a conversation about the market. It's going to be a great 2018 based on what the prices, what the market data for 2017.